Hi, my name is Laura Calver. I am the Executive Director of Advocates for Urban Agriculture. We are a coalition of more than 2,000 individuals, organizations, and businesses that work together to support and expand sustainable agriculture in the Chicago region. And we've been involved in this exploratory process for the past year. This has been my 5th visit to the beautiful city of Elmhurst, and I've enjoyed talking to city council members and city staff and providing education around hoop houses. At the same time, we've been working in the city of Chicago along with the USDA and Department of Planning and Development to actually promote funding opportunities for homeowners to purchase hoop houses for their backyards for personal gardening purposes and for supplemental income. To provide a little context, in the city of Chicago, hoop houses are allowed on residential property as long as they don't exceed 575 square feet or a peak height of 12 feet. There needs to be a setback of 3 feet along the side and 5 feet from the alleyway or right of way. It's critical that hoop houses meet certain size requirements in order to capture the passive solar gains and the thermal mass so they can function for their intended use. We recommend looking at USDA approved manufactured kits to get an idea of what those minimum size requirements are, versus looking at a kit on Amazon, which does not meet those requirements. I'm happy to continue to be a resource for the city of Elmhurst. Please, and I'm happy to give tours and just provide more information because I want to ensure that the correct information is being used, and certain height requirements are being met. Otherwise, that hoop house is not going to serve as intended. It's important to remember that the peak height is what it is, the top of the height, and hoop houses slope down, whether Gothic or rounded. So, you need to have a certain height to capture the thermal mass, and so you can walk in it and not hit your head along the side. So I very much appreciate your time, and will continue to act as a resource if you so desire. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.